Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable dark mode in camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well, first thing first guys, of course just go ahead to this camscanner applications, and as you can see here I use the light mode here guys. If you want to enable for the dark mode, just go ahead to this me option at the bottom, and after in this page you just have to scroll it down until you found that here the settings option, which is more settings. Tap on it, and after tap on this dark mode options. As you can see here I use the option which is follow system, which is on my system here I use the light mode here guys, and the camscanner will follow it. So if you want to enable it for the dark mode only for the camscanner, you just have to turn off this toggle, and after choose the dark mode here at the bottom, tap on it, and it will be a dark mode only on my camscanner here guys. It will not follow the mode on my system again. On my system is still use the light mode, but on my camscanner is use the dark mode. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.